Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have an unboxing video for you. I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I was trying to do no buy November because I have way more stuff than what I need to buy, but America's Thrift Supply suckered me back in with a new box. And at first I wasn't sure if it was a scam because I got a text message with a link for this box. Bought the box because it was something new that I had not seen them have before. And then when I went onto their website later, that box wasn't even posted anywhere on their website. So I don't have a whole lot of high hopes for this, but I bought it anyway and we will see together what is inside of it. So they called it their winter fall apparel supply box. It was supposed to be 10 to 12 items. It didn't say if it was new with tags, not new. It didn't give any description of the quality from what I could remember. I did get a little receipt for it. And the only thing it says is winter fall supply box. So total was $12.75 for the box. Then shipping and handling, of course, is their normal $10. So my total out the door was $22.74. Oh, sorry, about to sneeze. So we will go through this together. I did buy a box from them last month at the end, and I was going to do a video on it, but it was horrible. I mean, I was so disappointed with the box that I didn't even do the video on it. So let's dive into this and see what there is. It is in there, just in a small box like this. I have not peeked inside yet. I opened it just enough to get the receipt out that was on top to show it to you guys. And yeah, so like I said, I bought this probably about a week and a half ago or so. I don't remember what it said was what types of clothing were going to be in here. I think it could be, jackets, cardigans, sweaters, things like that. So from the looks of it on the inside, this is what it looks like. First glance. So it looks like mainly women's clothing, but I think men's clothing could be in here. Doesn't mean I will get that. So let's just start. We'll just start pulling something out. Let's see. What we're going to grab first. Alright, this looks like a sweater. Let's see, is there... Okay, the brand is Cupio. I've had this and sold it a time or two. Cupio. Let's see, I see a size medium. Just kind of an open knit sweater. The sleeves are kind of like a bell sleeve with like a bow detail. So that's not great, but it's not horrible, I guess. It's just polyester, machine wash. So, and then we got the other sleeve. And it has the bow, so. I mean, like I said, with the box itself only costing $12.75. So my cost of goods, depending on how many items, it said 10 to 12. So if we get 10 items, it'll be $2.27 a piece. And if we get the 12, it'll be $1.89 a piece. So you can't expect a whole lot for that price point. But I was hoping that if I could get just one great item, I could maybe pay for the box. So that was kind of my hope and why I gave them a second chance. This is a brand I've never heard of. Oh, this box is driving me nuts. It's called Hudson and Barrow, New York Gentlemen's Outfitters. So this is probably maybe a men's. It's an extra large. And it is a hoodie. It's a quarter zip. Extra large hoodie. The hoodie on the inside has this stripy detail. And, I mean, so far it looks okay. I'm not seeing any like major stains. It's got like a kangaroo pocket on the front. So there's that. Let's get this out of here. This looks like it might be a kid's. coat. It's called Colin Sport. Colin Sport. It is. No, it's a zip-up jacket. It's got this logo. It's definitely like a nylon type of a jacket, like it would be rain resistant or waterproof. It's not lined or anything, so it's very thin. And I'm not seeing a tag on the inside anywhere. And yeah, no material tag, no brand tag, just the brand on the hood, which is what lets me know what it is. So, I don't know, hopefully maybe I can sell it for $10. Old Navy, size medium, just a fleece woman's quarter zip striped shirt.
Set 20-minute timer.
So let's see, any pockets? So no pockets. Got some fuzzies on it. So just polyester. Yeah, so this is a little fleece quarter zip. Trying to keep everything kind of situated down there so I can figure out how many things I got. This was like, oh no, I was gonna say this is like Banana Republic, but it's Nautica. So it looks like it's a men's quarter zip Nautica sweatshirt. It's a size large. And let's see, it's 100% cotton. So far that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5 items. Huh. Looks like they gypped me. That's great. So this is called Indigo Rain. Size extra small. Just an Indigo Rain sweatshirt. Might be, no, with being extra small, it's probably not cropped. But it's just like a peachy, orangey crop shirt. Let's see. And then this is New York Collection. 100% acrylic. One size fits all. It's just like a poncho, actually. It's not a sweater. It's just a knit poncho. But Indigo Rain. And then here is the last item. So yeah, as I say, I'm not happy. Liz Claiborne Petite. Petite medium. Let's see what it's made out of. No, it doesn't say what it's made out of. Oh wait, yes it does. Polyester and cotton. 3% other fibers, because it's kind of like a metallic cardigan from Liz Claiborne. So that is the last item. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So I will look back at my description on there if I can find it, because like I said, it was not on the website when I was done with it. So we will see if I can go onto my receipt onto Shopify and see if I can find the description to see if it is supposed to be 10, 12 items like I thought it was, or if it didn't specify how many items, because America's Thrift Supply for their normal stuff is 10 to 12 items, or like 10 items, and sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less. I've never had anything with only 8 items, so we'll see. Maybe I'll get a few dollars back because of how low the things are in here. As you can see, I've seen a lot of other YouTubers who go through America's Thrift Supply, and a lot of their boxes have not been very good lately either. So I don't know if they've gotten very popular and now they can't supply everybody, so they're just throwing stuff in and not, you know, making great boxes like they were in the beginning. But maybe I'll keep trying them every, 2 to 3 weeks, get another box, kind of see if their quality goes up again. I mean, I'm not out much. It's 20 something bucks. So, I mean, it's not a lot of money out of pocket, thankfully, but it's still a little bit disappointed. So, let me know what you guys thought of the box. If you guys thought it was a crappy box like I did, or I do, or if you think it was okay. It's not great. We all can agree it's not great, but I guess whether or not you guys think it's okay, or if it's downright down in the dumps, right? Down in the dumps? Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. So, alright. Please give me a thumbs up. Like this video if you like this kind of content, if you want to see more from them, from other suppliers that I use. Subscribe if you're new. I would appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. We'll see. Alright. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Have a great week in sales, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.